So now let us talk about fundamental duties. We have discussed about fundamental rights, okay, which are enforceable, which are justified. Then we were talking about directive principles which are not enforceable in court. Now we are talking about fundamental duties. Okay, rights cannot exist in isolation. Rights and duties are interrelated. People will understand the value of rights only if they are under the obligation to perform certain duties. For this purpose, the 42nd Amendment Act 1976 added some responsibilities to citizens to our constitution called fundamental duties. Now they are saying that rights cannot be there in or exist in isolations, that okay, we have rights and we will not perform any duties. No, it is being said that rights and duties go together and they are interrelated. If as Indians or if as citizens of India we have certain rights, we definitely have certain duties to perform as well. Okay, this is our moral obligation. This should be our duty कि हम certain चीज़ों को fulfill करें. Okay, so with the 42nd Amendment, okay, which came through the Act of 1976, some fundamental duties were also added in our constitution. Okay, now what are these fundamental duties? There are various fundamental duties. We should show respect to our national symbols like national anthem and national flag. Okay, हमें उसे respect दिखाना चाहिए. Whenever there is national anthem, we should stand. Whenever we see our national flag, it should be in a dignified way. If it is there, if it is there lying on the road, we can pick it up, put it up somewhere. If it is starting in a wrong way, like the chronology is wrong, if it is green, white and saffron, we can put it in a correct order, saffron, white and green. So we need to respect that. It is not just external respect, इंटरनली भी हमें अपने नेशनल फ्लैग, नेशनल एंथम के लिए रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमने बहुत लंबी फाइट के साथ इंडिया में इंडिपेंडेंस गेन करी थी एंड ये हमारे सिम्बल्स हैं. ओके, देयर आर सर्टेन आइडियाज़ लाइक डेमोक्रेसी, नॉन वायलेंस and secularism that inspires our freedom fighters during the national movement. We must respect these ideas and follow them in our daily life. So all the ideas, especially the idea of democracy, okay, the idea of non-violence कि हम violence नहीं करेंगे, the idea of secularism that all religions are equal. Since हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ने बहुत लंबी लड़ाई की है, देयर हैड बीन सो मच ब्लडशेड, दे हैव टू लॉस देयर लाइफ, एंड तब हमें फ्रीडम मिली है, तब हमें डेमोक्रेसी, सेक्युलरिज्म, नॉन वायलेंस मिला है. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट दीज आइडियाज़ और हमें इन्हें डेली लाइफ में फॉलो करना चाहिए. वी शुड प्रोटेक्ट दी सोवरेनिटी, unity and integrity of the country. Okay, we should always stand for the unity of the country, for the integrity of the country and sovereignty. Sovereignty basically says that no one from outside will come and tell us that how to rule. वो हमारे internal matter में anyone from outside cannot come and say or interfere in the internal governance of the country. Okay, तो वो तभी होगा जब हम unity के साथ रहेंगे, integrity के साथ रहेंगे. So we should protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of our country. Whenever required, we should prepare to show our patriotism by defending our country. Okay, whenever if there is a conflict or if there is anything, we should शो लॉयल्टी टूवर्ड्स आवर कंट्री. हमें पेट्रियाटिज़म दिखाना चाहिए और अपनी कंट्री को डिफेंड करना चाहिए, उसे सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. वी शुड प्रमोट हार्मनी एंड ब्रदरहुड अमंग पीपल बाय गिविंग अप डिफरेंसेस बेस्ड ऑन रिलीजन, लैंग्वेज एंड रीजन. सो हमें क्या प्रमोट करना चाहिए? हमें पीस, हार्मनी एंड ब्रदरहुड प्रमोट करना चाहिए. एंड वी शुड नॉट प्रैक्टिस एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंसेस. हमें लोगों के बीच में डिफरेंसेस को प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना चाहिए ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर रिलीजन, लैंग्वेज. वी शुड नॉट मेक फन ऑफ एनी रिलीजन और एनी लैंग्वेज. ओके, वी शुड मेंटेन पीस इन द कंट्री. We must take care of public property, like whenever you are traveling or you are in public place, so you should take care of public property. For example, you are traveling in a bus, or you are in a train, or if you are at any building, any government building, any hospital, you should take care of the public property. You should not destroy that. We must preserve our natural environment such as forests, rivers, lakes and wildlife from destruction and degradation. Okay, we should all, in general, we should also take care of our environment. We must develop scientific attitude. This means that we should discard superstitions belief. Now when we are saying science, so science talks about reasons. Okay, it says for everything there is a reason behind, so we should follow those reasons, we should follow those logic, और हमें superstitious पे विश्वास नहीं रखना चाहिए. Like for example, बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई, okay, there is something bad. No, we should not believe in any kind of superstitions. We should always use reason. We must not follow harmful social practices like dowry, alcoholism, drug addiction and gambling. Okay, ऑल्सो बीइंग अ गुड सिटीज़न, हमें कोई भी ऐसे हार्मफुल प्रैक्टिस को नहीं फॉलो करना चाहिए, जैसे डॉरी सिस्टम, वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड अबाउट इट, एल्कोहलिज्म, ड्रग एडिक्शन एंड गैम्बलिंग, जिससे दूसरों को नुकसान हो और हमें भी नुकसान हो. वी मस्ट वैल्यू एंड प्रिजर्व आवर रिच कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज. It is our duty of the parents or the guardians to send their children to school. Okay, when I was talking about free and compulsory education, I was talking about that it is the duty of parents and guardians to send their what to school. So it is our duty. We must realize that the feeling of responsibility towards these duties will help to strengthen our democracy and lead our country towards progress and prosperity. Now if we are following all these duties, it will actually lead to a good country only. It will fulfill and make our democracy more stronger, make our country more towards progress and prosperity. So we should follow these. Okay, so I have completed with the chapter. In next class we will discuss with this yellow box, so kindly read this yellow box. Okay, and we'll discuss with the question answers. So go through the question answers, mark the question answers, and I will discuss in next class. Thank you.